Yeah.
So I got a little chance to check, and there are like account determination was missing and some asset accounting related setting like carry forward and all was missing. So I maintained that, created a new contract, and till the valuation, it is like posting the value as well.
Good, good. I was checking. Someone is logged yesterday. So when you checked, what time you checked?
8 to 10.
That time I checked. Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying to open that one. So I thought someone is working on that. Anyway, so you, okay. Anyway, so you will create new contract. Okay. And let's see whether this, what is the contract number?
8, ending with 8.
8. Okay, good. I think this is one you created, right? Let me see it. Values. Good, it is posted. Nice. So the last step you posted, but let me check on it one thing, because always the status, if it is posted, already posted, means that you did contract creations, you did the valuation, you performed the valuation, you post the valuation, and okay, did you try to do the rewrap? I think you did the rewrap also, right?
I don't exactly go with rewrap. From contract, I have just posted the valuation. It was a rewrap or another default, not sure.
RECP, that we will make inside the contract, and out of the contract is rewrap. Anyway, let me check it.
And not
Okay.
the
Yeah, acquisitions values also got posted on a depreciation and net book values. Great. This is what I want to see. Just a minute. One more thing I want to check it. This is related to assets. Okay. Moving to depreciations. So depreciation also it has got posted. Okay. So this is 24. Our contract is still. What is the contract date till end date? 29. Yes, this also 29. It's also got posted. Posted in the sense like it is like this is the actual value. This is like planned values. It is not actual values. When it will convert into actual planned to actual when you are going to execute the depreciations. Okay, this is clearing amount. Clearing amount also it's also appearing in our cash flow schedule and interest also. Okay, you maybe initially you try to run it this one, but it is not consider properly contract value. If the second time you try to execute that post the valuation, it is happen, right? So here also posted entry exists. Okay, what is the rule you used it? Just let me check it. IFRS. Just will copy this. And you created the asset separately, right? Different asset you created.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so we'll try to create one more contract today. Already 2 contracts is created, but we'll create one more contract. So here we'll give contract valuation testing. Give right contract name. Zero lease valuations create. This is fine. Then I'm going to use term. Term is supplier. Already supplier is there. Business role. You have to always check the business role whenever you are just checking it. And sometime what will happen? They will ask you to change the business partner. If some like due to the discontinuations of the things, you can go here and you can add that business partner and you can delete it. This business partner. What will happen? This business partner is no more with this contract. Name is changed. Okay, inside of TCS supplier, assume that that is going to be like Accenture supplier. Just I'm telling you. So that is going to be we have to delete and we have to add other supplier name. Okay. So term we have to go for it, and your term and notice, and we have to give here details. Okay. Contract start date, end date. This all I explained to you yesterday. Then object. So object we have to check. So yeah, this is again valuation testing. Okay, anyway, this let it be this one, valuations. So this anyway will give it. So always try to use starting letter of caps. It will look like limited. So okay, this is a kind of assignment conditions. So given 6,000, let's give like 2,000. The contract value is less. Okay. Here it is 0, right? So yeah, I want to tell you now what is the funda here and the conditions before we will execute completely, because then I might forget it. Okay. In condition level, now you can control or you can play with the various scenarios. Okay. If suppose you have like different scenarios, I will take one scenario. What is the one scenario like, now contract start is 8/1/2024. Okay, now your contract end date is 31/7/2029. Then this is a contract date. Okay, one of the scenarios I got from a client that they want to reduce like this durations, means period. Okay, from 31/7 to they want to reduce it from 31 or 30 like 5 to 2025. Okay, that was their a requirement. That but here you can see, right, no, we can't do it. We can't reduce it this with this one. Okay, absolute and it conditions. Okay, but generally like what is the requirement? No, we have a scenario that this is the contract, but we want to reduce the durations of the contract. But then I told them that yeah, we have an option of renewal, we have an option of terminations. This to approach I suggested. Now what is the client first question? Okay, if you are going to like renewal, when we will do the renewal? Renewal will come one after the contract date, right? Then why you want to do the renewal? So renewal can be happen, okay, before the end of the contract date. Okay, that is the process. Okay, that we can do it. Okay, as I told them that see, we have a privilege, okay, to reduce the like a contract date by the renewal. Okay, in not only that we have to do the renewal at the contract end period, but we can do before of that. That's the first thing. Second thing, I told them that if you want to reduce the period, inside of reduce the period to make complicate to the system, okay, either you terminate the contract, okay, and you just create a new contract. But that also a client is not convinced. Okay, she's to know we don't want to go for another paperwork. No, if you are going for like creations of a new contract in offline, no, we have to go with various approval again, no, like from all the approvals, and no, it will take another 3 to 4 months. So that is not a good approach, because we want to we want to have a service. Okay, then I thought no, okay, let us go with the conditions. Okay, you control with the conditions. Then whatever we can do, I told them that okay, this is the date, just to give the date here, whatever date you want it, and just you save the like contract and execute the revaluation. So whenever you are doing some changes, just keep note of that. Whenever you are changing any change with respect to the date, with respect to the price, okay, anything you are changing, again you have to come and again you have to complete the rules. Okay, that is the anyway. So if you are not completing, system automatically it will go to the incomplete status. Okay, because if you're not going to tell the system that you did something, no, you did something changes. So already know the cash flow or amortizations have certain values, right? You're doing some changes. So the beauty of the system is that if you're doing some changes inside of 31 2029, then how system would know that, see, there is going to be some rescheduled values based upon that. ROE asset will be get calculated, lease value liability will be get calculated, then interest, then depreciation, again that is going to hit in the GL account, that GL account going to create open items, then again that open item going to be cleared through the F1 one time. Okay, that is the end of the process of lease. So slight change is going to be a big impact. Now coming back to our scenarios. So there is a scenario that we want to reduce the dates. So you can go and you can give here that and you can execute it. Okay. Second thing, they want to reduce the price. Okay, they want to reduce the values also. For example, no, like from 8/1/2024, okay, they want to keep the values 2000, assume that till 31/12/2024. Again from 1st January 2025 to July 30 or 31, something, no, like they want to maintain 20, some value. So how you are going to manage that? That is a scenario I got it. Okay, that for a particular period, I want to maintain a value for a particular conditions. Remember, for a particular conditions. In this condition, we can maintain a various conditions. Okay, but for a particular conditions, okay, you assume that we are talking about the actual rent leasing. Okay, for this condition they want to maintain so and so period, so and amount. One more condition is that they want to maintain certain periods and certain amount. So that is also one scenario. Okay, that scenario also you can manage through this conditions. So very important part of the lease is to play with the conditions. Okay, let us see for terms. Okay, terms, no, like if something is there, you can go and check. If you want to give something like frequency level, I'm telling you. Okay, if you want to see frequency level, again, now in high level, you can see what are the frequencies you are maintaining. This condition level you can maintain. Okay, this condition is actual rent. We selected. Okay, you have to check whether this is actual rent. This is a statistical. All the things you have to check. Then again, right? Memo you can know. Memo always you can know. It is good to maintain. As you maintain car name, or maybe you can maintain a car model. Okay, that's what how we want to maintain it. Suppose they want in detail, car model. Okay, what is the like price? Okay, vendor already know you have that. See this and all I'm telling, no, so that you should have like what we can do. Okay, so car name, car model, price and all you can maintain it. Just you want to make it this one. Okay, same way for first posting also you can go and check. Okay, what is the posting? It is coming like payment method. It is nothing but the previous one. But anyway, so it is going in like high level, focus level, right? What is its maintain? Otherwise, it's a cross check also. Okay. So whatever you did in previous things, this is a cross check. Okay, organizational assignment, you can cross check whatever you are going to post, because why SAP has given you, right, in the conditions level, because the condition is important like parameters where you are going to post the values, right? That is the reason is again SAP is telling go and check whatever because it is important that this value will be get calculated based upon the frequencies. Okay, frequencies based upon it is going to calculate, so that date is correct, whatever the parameters you are given, it's correct. SAP is again asking to check that one. Okay, that is the reason SAP is given again this option. Okay, fine. Calculations. Then okay, calculation is no worries. Then distributions. Then it is going to be a memo. Okay, so each and everything is we have a memo. Now we go to valuation parameters. Okay, so yesterday, no, I just assign two valuation rule. Okay, so I assign two valuation rule. One is FASB and other one is International Financial Standard. So because there is a questions from someone that can we bring two valuation rule in the same contract. That is the reason yesterday night just I assign FSD finance rules also and IFRS also. Even German also you can bring it for the same contract. But it is always you should discuss with the client. It is a worth to assign two valuation rule in the same contract. If we are going to assign, what is the purpose of that? Okay, because each valuation rule is talking about the compliance of each countries, right? If you are talking about IFRS, so what is the countries? Now this countries I think is a euro, right? It's a German. Okay, company code is a German, right? So German is always they will basically German will use IFRS only, but certain scenarios are there where they will use German commercial code. But I did not know use so no like most of this German commercial code valuation rule. Okay, so I used very minimal, but I use international IFRS and FSB. Okay, so this FSB and finance lease international sheet, we have to think before why we are using it. First point. Second, okay, that there is no there's no big impact. Okay, what will happen? So based upon IFRS, it will generate the valuation. Okay, if you're going to select this, and if you're going to select this, then based upon this finance things, it is going to going to generate a valuations for ROE asset level or lease liability. Okay, now we'll check with this this one. So Praveen, what you selected, like we have two options, right? One is car lease for ABC Limited, other one is COP. Okay, so what you selected when you created the contract?
COP.
Okay, why you are not selected the REC one?
Not sure. I was confusing like what to select.
That's why I'm raising questions. So anyone who is working in REFX, so what does this mean and what does this mean? Okay, so this means the general data descriptions, REC. Okay, this means object. So always this contract will work in the object level. Okay, this is only a description. Okay, so we have to select this one, and let's go for interest. Okay, interest will give like 4%. Let's asset. Let us check what is asset it is created. Like I hope you created 7, right? So that is asset. Okay,
I
so
think I have created 8.
8 is there here? No.
Not present here, but I have created 8.
Something is happening, right? Either I'm not seeing the correct way, or because asset group, asset something, inventory, name and asset class. It should be there. I don't know. 8 is not viewing. 2 asset class number is coming. Okay, no worries.
And so there was one error while saving this, that asset description should be same with the object description.
There is error. Okay.
Not error, warning. It is not allowing me to activate that.
Oh, okay, okay. Let's see. So just I'm opening the new 801. Let's see here. No, here also it's not showing 8. Fine, I will select 7. What is the last number? I want to check with you now if you are their asset experts. Huh? Just a minute. Again, I will give you. What is the purpose of this post capitalizations? If you are going to check this one,
So
sorry to ask you directly. Huh? Yeah.
No problem. Actually, when you select the reference table, so
Okay.
whatever like value or capitalization in the reference is set down, it will be posted in the created one as well.
Okay. Okay. So what is my understanding post capitalizations means? So this is the values, okay, which is prior to the depreciation, which is prior to any other wear and tear. Okay, that is a post capitalizations. So based upon this post capitalizations, the values of the depreciations or useful life, okay, that all determined from here post capitalizations. So basically, we might given certain date, right, in the depreciation area or depreciation key, okay. What are the factors there we define it, and if you are going to select this, okay, post capitalizations, and no further no inside this asset, what will happen, the depreciation key maybe based on this asset class and all. Based upon that determination, if you're going to select this, then system will calculate, okay, starting of the depreciation area we have to consider certain date. So it's mostly this post capitalization determine the value of date, means date of the depreciations or any other factors. Just let us give like Carly's ABC. Then just we have to go to time dependent. Cost center is fine. Assignment. Okay, so plant also you can give it. So in certain scenarios, what will happen? Uh, Plant, you know, right? This asset we can use in different plant. Okay, same asset. For example, this is a movable machines, which can be moved through land, or which can be moved through air, or which can be moved through sea. Okay, it's very, you know, like costliest machines. So that we can, if we want to maintain it, we can maintain it. But then again, what is the link with the lease? Lease again, that machine, we are like assume that like TCS, like not only I'm talking about plant. Okay, we are talking about plant. Leave it. Okay, so we have like some drilling machines, which is very precious. Means very limited product is there. So that machine we can bring and we can do it. Location, again we can maintain it locations where this plant is located, because this plant means machine we are having the lease, and we can know where it is currently. Okay, anyone is, if we want to see, okay, tell me where is the machine and which location it is. So in that case we can maintain it. So that is the use of it. Okay, then again no values. Okay, base price. Okay, so here and all, if you want to maintain the lease base values, the new purchase values, okay, when it will come into the picture, if your client, they don't want to go for a lease, okay, they want to handle the lease process within the assets. Maybe I don't know whether this informations or not, just I'm like highlighting for your purpose. Okay, so whenever certain clients are there, I just seen some 2 to 3 clients. Okay, uh, they told us that they don't want to go for lease, like implementation, due to some budget problem. They told that we will handle within the assets. The provision is possible. Then I took some time, and then I just analyze. No, yes, we have the provision. Still, certain fields, we have to make it now like optional. Certain fields are here hiding here, not here. I am not remember exactly, but still more fields is there. Okay. So base value, purchase value, and all we can do it. But I told them that yes, but we are not going to get the values like in a future state level, like how we are seeing in the lease. Okay, we will not get like what is the present value, what is the like depreciation values, or what is the current values of the contract. That details we are not going to get it, but certain limitation we can get it. So first case, you can maintain what is the base price of things and what is the purchase price of this assets, and same thing you can integrate it with the procurement. Okay, that's what I told them. And again, number of lease payment we can maintain it. What is your number of lease payment? In lease, right, we are giving the duration from 1/1/2024 to 31/12/2029. that we are giving from to date, but here you have to give in like some numbers. Okay, numbers you have to give it. That is a provision in asset. It is available for lease. Okay, you might wonder that why this lease option is given, but in normal cases, whenever you are creating the asset, this lease tab will be hidden. Okay, to avoid the confusion to the client. Okay, now again there is a book depreciations. Okay, where again the depreciation keys have been added. Then here, then let us give the depreciation area. So did you provided the depreciation start date here?
Yes, start of the contract, no? 1st August.
Okay, okay. So I don't know what
Here I think 1st August.
1st August, right? So I'm very bad to remember the things. 1st August. Okay, sure, right? Yeah,
Yes, yes.
good. Let me create this save. So let me valuation parameters. What is happening? Someone is no like not someone. I mean to say other no like this system. No, they are just changing the settings. That's demo system. That is the issues. Okay, but anyway, I don't know what new error is going to come. But let us just I will save it. This one. Contract is created. It is fine. Then let's so now run the valuations. Before run the valuations, let me activate the contract. Okay, just let me. It is also activated. Just okay. Before that, we'll see stimulation. Stimulation is fine as of now. No error. It's it is completed. Okay, rule is incomplete, right? That we need to check it before valuation. Okay, let me close it. Let me raise a flag. Something issues is okay, save it. And sometimes that message, like yellow color, it is coming, right? Don't ignore that one. As we SAP consultant, we will focus only when there is going to be like red, right? So sometimes you just note it down that yellow color also. Don't ignore that. No error. Great. If you are stuck here, then it will take 2 to 3 days to solve it. Okay, let it be. We have to check it. So what is that? Okay, asset interest clearing. Good. It has been posted here. Then that is a contract type. Okay, we have used it. Okay, then this is a contract. This is a contract name. We have used it. Just a minute. Okay, then again, this is a calculations. Okay, let we'll show you. Okay, this is so this is the calculation from. Okay, but let me now I in simulated mode. So I just like posted a okay. So now we'll go back and again no there is a possibility that if we remove okay the simulation mode to update run there might be that error will come okay because mostly when you will simulate you're simulating in the front end right it will not show you in the error but in update run wherever you are going to execute it will show you error. Now let's see. Okay, so whenever now as a lease consultant now whenever I will execute and I will wait for the output now I was very like kind of like some result no we will wait for some result right that kind of things. Okay, Fine. So I think we successfully created, like for one contract, this asset postings, interest depreciation, clearing posting for this contract. Now let me go to something document level. Okay, just a minute. Just give me a second. Okay, this lease expenses. Just a minute. So interface, business partner, ledgers. Okay, yesterday, like ledger issues also came up. Just I taken some of the screenshot for you to show. What is that? I'm not able to go for desktop. How to close this one? Start without data, synchronize data. Start without. Let me go for it. Confirm and continue. So, like, I think you got this error, right? You cannot post to asset in company code 110 fiscal year, correct?
Yes, yes.
What you did this for? What process you did?
Yes, sir. Asset here was not closed in from the 2007. So, and so the balance carry forward has been not done. But both the activity till 24 after the deduction.
I am not sure whether I able to hear you. Sorry. Okay, fine. So any specific T code like OAQ or AJB or something
The
AJRW?
balance carry forward needs to be done FAGLGVTR without any errors.
Correct. That's what I thought to do. FAGVTR. Correct. Got it, Devang. Thank you. I thought to do that, but anyway. Okay, this is the first, and second error, what I got it. Okay, this error I got it. So assign accounting principle to, sorry, assign accounting principle to LG and Ledger OL. So what happened? Purposefully I've taken the screenshot to show you. So valuation rule, no, I did not. No, I tested in negative and positive way. First, as I tested in the negative way. Okay, that's what we used to do in implementation, right? So I just removed the accounting principle and I removed the ledger. Okay, and what I saved it. Then what I tried to do, I just created the contract. It is not allowed me. So in the valuation level, it is given me the error that accounting principle and ledger is not mapped. Then I went, I just mapped into our sub ledger. But this things we should not do from REFX side or lease side. This need to be carried out by a GL team. So we have to take the screenshot and we have to send to them to map it. So this one more error what I got it, just let me show you. Okay, so this is one more error, like it's not error, this account determinations values, right? Just I cross checked, so it is there or not. So land and property building, so it was there. So 3 error I faced. Anyway, just I solved that one. Key amount in currencies. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now we will display total. Okay, we can display the total amount. What is that? So 22365, these are all the total amounts which is there. V3, these are the GL accounts got impacted, right? Interest expenses, lease liability. Again, this is lease liability, lease clearing account. Okay. The loss from asset, lease liability, car lease limiteds, and loss from asset transaction. This is ROE assets. Just a minute. I will go one more. This is flow type. Always you just you have to check this flow types. IRO, this all like created, or you just use standard one. This you need to check it. This you need to check it. Assignment is nothing but your contract. And I will go in the contract level. There's a profit center again. This is something you can use. Some of the certain display option will be there. Certain export option will be there here. You can save this, like layout, and you can show to the customer. You can save them. Profit centers. Then this is the functional areas, and okay, this is a cost centers. Again, it is there. Let us go there. Okay, this is we done, right? Just give me a second. I will do one more process. It's taking automatically 9. Let me check it. reconciliation account is missing in master records. Okay, but this process we have to do next month. This we should not do this month because you can see, but this is the accounting entries you will get it. It is not posted, but it is giving you the accounting entry. So this will be get posted, but why we have to execute this next month? Because here you can see what date system is automatically taking. Okay, it will take posting date 1/1, document date 1/1. Now we are into 8. Okay, so this is a rewrap. So anyway, so this reconciliation account is giving the error, but it is not stopping to post it. Here you can see what are the accounting entries going to post when you post the rewrap. Gross amount 380, tax amount, net amount 2000. If you remember, what is this net amount 2000? This 2000 where we posted in our conditions value. Okay, that is the amount. Okay, now this is a rewrap. Just I will go back to the contract. I will just now explain you what process we did. I want to make it this one. Okay. So whenever first process. So we did valuation parameters. Asset we given, we executed the valuation. Inside the valuation, we performed the valuation, we posted the valuation, and we rewrapped this contract. That is the end part of that. Now, whenever you successfully will post the valuation, it will show you the status in the green color and the values will be get generated. Okay, if you are not posted any valuation successfully, if you have any error, then as a line item step 1 it will show you error. Okay, this will not show you any values. That is one identification which you have to do it. Now we've posted. Again we can come and here see what is the impact here it is. Okay, just a minute. I will tell you. Just I thought to check you this one. Okay. So whenever you want to see this asset level, you want to see the depreciations and clearing and interest. Okay. So when you posted the valuation, if you want to see the what is the accounting entry impact, you have to go here. I hope you all know, right? You have to go here. You have to click here status. If you want to check what is accounting entries, see ROE asset, okay, and ROE asset clearing account. That's fine. Flow type, this is what you maintain it. That's fine. This is the accounting entries. You have to see it. Okay. See what has happened. ROE asset loss and ROE asset. So this is what the accounting entry. What is debited? ROE asset. Land means clearing account. Okay. ROE asset clearing account. That is a credit. Okay, so what is basically this is a clearing account, RE land. So but this always ROE as a debit. First thing, lease clearing account credit. That is a second that is a credit entry. Okay, now let us see what is accounting entry for clearing. We'll see what is accounting for clearing. See, now we are into 8 period. Okay, we posted the 8 period here, and what is the status of this? Already posted. And you can see what is the status of this. This is not posted. Okay, still you need to carry out. Means next month when you will go, when you will execute the valuation, it will show you the status that posted. Okay, then you can see what is the calculations from calculation to what is the days. Okay, it will show in day wise. How this day wise is getting picked up? Anyone? How this day wise it is getting picked up? Just I need one key tab what we are using in the contract. I am giving you a clue from where this 30 days are getting picked up. Anyone, please? So this 30 days will pick up from the term tab. Okay, so whatever if 30 days showing or anything is showing, it will pick up from a term tab. Okay, the clue is from a term tab. All that will be get calculated from here. So it's pretty clear. Clearing what is a contract date, due date, year, What is a clearing? Clearing means the 2000s, where it is coming from? It is coming from condition amounts. Then what is the currencies? Exchange rate. If you want to do some forex kind of things, it is a exchange rate. Okay. Then what is here? What is here plus? Okay. Here you can see, huh? This plus means always the values is been positive. Okay. Negative, when it will come negative. Negative means you are posting something negative. Okay. Posting something in the negative means you can't go and post in the debit and credit side, right? No. You suppose for additionally, no, it should be yearly some amount, but you made higher, then it will maybe going to be a negative. Okay. Okay. Let me see what is the account entries. What now you are seeing? Whatever ROE asset and land account got credited. Now what it happened? It got now debit and lease clearing account got credited. Okay, so this should be always no, before it was debited, now it was credited. That's all. That debit and credit gone. Now the final entry is first entry. I show you asset calculation, right? That is ROE asset account and lease clearing. Okay, now it is credit. That is a proper entry. Okay, this is like offsetting entry, GRIR. Okay, I hope you are clear. Huh? You are all accounting guys, so you can just explore this one. Okay, I'm going for interest. Huh? Now I'm into interest. Now you see the interest. What is the interest? 365. This is based upon the 2% we are given, right? 2000 into 2% into total that number of terms in a contract. Okay, based upon that, it will calculate. Okay, and percentage and dot. It will give you what is interest, local currencies, exchange rate, percentage, status, then calculation from calculation date. Again, it will show you the flow type. And what is the flow type we are assigned? It is for interest expenses. Okay, so these are again one important thing. Okay, and again you can see what is the present value and what is the contract value. Always the contract value would be 2000 multiplied by 2 into 100 into the total contract durations. Okay, based upon that it will calculate present value. Again, how it will calculate? Present value will calculate based upon this overall asset total. Okay, whatever the cumulative values, it will be there based upon that, and minus clearings or minus interest minus clearing in the total amount, it should be here. So always the contract value will be more and present value will be less. Okay, that is a funda. Always you note it down. I don't know you note it down or not. Always the contract value, right? It will be more than the present value. Why? Because this is the contract value. Okay, this is the value which we need to the vendor. Now what you're doing, monthly you're paying, right, with the interest. Then what will happen? Your liability become no, like it will go on decreasing. Same like a loan, right? If you're taken any kind of loan, your total loan, you assume that it is 1,20,000. Every month you are paying the EMI, right? So it's go on reduce, right? Same funda here. Okay, you're paying your EMI with interest and whatever the maintenance charges, whatever charges coming with that you are making, and it is reducing, right? So that same, like uh, formulas is applicable here. And background, SAP has built a beautiful formula background. It will calculate based on that. Okay, this is the topmost of the output. Okay, let me see. I want to show you something. I show local currency in USD. If you want to see in the different currencies, okay, interest and all, local currency USD. Okay, you can see it right here. It is a euro, right? If you want to see in the USD, you can see it. That this is option here. Okay, back to euro. If you want to see the USD, you can see the USD. Okay. This is always USD is more higher compared to euro. It's generally like it will be. Okay, I'm just closing this, and I will go to the conditions. Okay, conditions. I will go here, and I will just, where is the conditions? I will try to simulate this one. 2000 tax group. Okay, so plus net local again gross. So this is fine. Condition, okay, anything, okay, well, that's why I bought it you. Currency translation rule. Okay, what is a currency translation tool? If you are maintaining a contract in two different currencies, okay, means you want to know, like see in the two different currencies, there is a configuration setting currency translation rule. It is a FI settings. You can maintain it, and here the option will be come whatever the currencies you are maintaining it. So someone is going to ask you what is the option for that, like maintaining a different foreign currencies other than local currencies for a contract. You can tell to the client that we have a provisions of currency translation rule. Okay, we'll call it as a currency translation rule, and we can maintain it. Okay, so that is one of the provision I thought to bring you here. Let's see for our cash flows. Let's see what is the overview showing cash flow. Okay, and we are into IFRS. Then calendar year's total contract value, present value. This is asset value, present values will be the same. Then this is the opening balance. So this is a list of output. You can see in like different views. So like this is the IFRS. What are the calendar years, total periods? This nine. You can see one by one. What are the total values? Then again you can like present values, then asset, then opening balance, then depreciation. Then this is a closing balance. Again, this is like so sometime they will ask you this like output of the cash flow from the client. Okay, some of the client they are there, they will ask you provide me the cash flow, so you can just export. You can change it to the layout and you can export it. Okay, now we have just posted the valuation. Okay, now let's go for F1110. I'm not going to do F1110. Okay, just I will show you that whatever the vendors we have used, right? So just a minute, what vendor we have used? Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah.
One question.
Go ahead.
Suppose after like evaluation or periodic run of 2 or 3 months, clients needs to change the value. Okay? So somewhat we have reduced the value of contracts, and the impact will be retrospective. Remaining value will be distributed among the remaining periods.
Can you, maybe, okay, what you are asking that if you want to change the values, right? Which value you want to change it? Can you rephrase yourself? Maybe your voice is not audible for me. It's for me, I don't know. Can you rephrase your questions, please? Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you rephrase? Yeah.
Yeah. Now I am audible.
Now you're audible. Yeah.
So after running the 2 periods, okay, cyclic period or posting period, now client want to change the contract value to reduce the contract value. So the impact will be the retrospective or like whatever the value remaining, it will be distributed among the remaining periods.
Okay, let you assume that. Period means which period you're talking about. Now we are in August, right? So you mean to say September, October. So we are into September. So we are just posting the values 2000 as a condition amount, right? So that is a basic rent. You want to, you are telling that you want to reduce that value from 2000 to 1500 for September, as well as October. You want to reduce the value. So this is a 2 periods. That is what I'm assuming that you mean to say here. September, October month. We want
the remaining whole period. Like August and September, I have posted the 2000. After that, whatever the remaining, I will post 1500 only.
Yeah, you can post it, right? What you need to do in the condition level, right? I told you, right? And there's a condition level. What you need to do it. You can reduce it, right? Whenever from you want, you can reduce it here. Which date you want it.
But sir, for initial posting already we have posted for 120, like 120,000 for the whole asset. That will be not mismatching.
No. Whatever the value you posted, right? That we can't do anything, right? It is already posted, right? So if you want to start from new conditions, means, for example, from 1st September to this, whatever the remaining period is there, right? Then what you have to do, you have to add a new condition type, and you have to add new values, and you have to give here. I got it now. So remaining period, if you want to go for new values, yeah, then you have to go for it. But whatever already posted, this option is only till the same value. Value is same, amount is same, but till which date you want to reduce it. You want to give this date, but if you're talking about this period, right? This period, then again you have to create a new condition stating that new values or new basic rent kind of things, and you have to create a new condition, and you want to add it, and you give this date, and so whenever it is required. But yeah, you want to create a new conditions.
Okay. I will try one sample and.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. You can do it.
Thanks. Yeah. So I'm just going for F1 110. Huh? So just help me on F1 110. I forgot long back I did it. Huh? Because totally I'm into now REFX. I forget my FI skill set. It's not forget, just I need to refresh it. So I'm giving today's date. Let me give some identifications, like what identifications, like again I will give F11, okay, 00. Okay, let me enter it. Enter date in the format. I will select inside that put. I need to run ID. Okay, this is solid existing ID. I don't want to go with existing ID. So let me give then, okay, what I want to give.
Give today's date.
Yeah, let me give today's date. 2024.
We have not posted any vendor invoice posting, right?
Yeah, just I want to see. I want to check from here the company code. Anyway, I'm giving, like 1. Okay. Then payment method. Okay. What is the payment method is there for company code? Let's check it. What we can take it. There is no proper, like payment method is being created. External payment. What is this? I think card payment and all we can't. So which payment method we can select? I think I'm not able to see proper payment method in, at least from my side. Direct or something. See why I bought F1 110. Okay, there is a purpose for lease accounting. See, we did all that till after doing the post valuations. Okay, I shown you the GL account, right? Each GL account I shown you what is a debit, what is a credit for asset clearing and all, right? After that, for each GL account there will be a open, that I forgot to show you, that clearing account, right? Open account clearing, right? That you have to go and see. And after that clearing account, what accounts payable side, they will do the F1 110. This is the last process of any contract. Okay, this is F1 110. This F1 110 can be for accounts payable, this may be for a customers. Okay, so just I want to see the whatever the vendor I have been used, right? Anything is been posted or not. But still, because recast, you can see, sorry, rewrap, that is a periodic posting. As we are into 8 period, okay, if you are going to execute next month, definitely it will show you in the vendor line item. Okay, because that is a month end activities, rewrap. So but let me, I'm trying to check for this vendor any open item it is showing or not. So that is the reason I just into F1 110. Okay, for time being, let us take, can take this one, maybe like external payment or no,
Yes,
card payment.
I'll take it. It is assigned to company.
Yeah, let me take it as this one. Okay, payment method. Next due, past due date. I don't know what is the past due date. Pre-selections. Specify the posting date. Next payment. Okay, next payment. We want to select this one. Yeah, so
We'll move 9, 10, 2024, 1 month.
yeah, I will check like 09/31, 2024. Why it is saying invalidate? Maybe it is 30, only year 30. It's 30 only. Yeah. Now values. Okay, but I'm wondering, like,
In parameter, you will find the vendor outside.
yeah, that's what I'm looking for vendors. Huh?
From right hand side, page down.
Wait. Huh? Yeah, see, supplier. So this I will give. Huh? So I don't know why this screen is very less for me. Huh? Okay. Values. I don't know. I have a values or not. Huh? But anyway, we'll get an error. Huh? Something. Details have been saved. The additional log and all. Due date, due date, due date. So here we can give BP or vendor. That's what I bought it here. So like I given BP, right? So basically what we need to give here, BP or vendor? Because I know, like, any idea from anyone? In F110 we used to give BP or vendor, because in lease we are giving BP, right? How this accounts payable team is, like
Anyone from team like have done the payment in HANA? Actually, I have done many payment, but in ECCs. Not sure about this bit.
Devang, maybe from your side, if you can help me on this.
Devang actually left the call due to one customer call.
Okay, okay, okay.
Basically, we can do payment from the two sides. One is F110 and one is FPY1. I'm not sure which process that we are using over here. Basically, I have not done payment in HANA. That is fine.
Okay, okay. Please cross check, huh? Because as you know, we are no, like, from leave side. No, we will not bother about. It's not bothering, right? No, we will not get time to check whether this no, like, payment and all received for particular BP or not. So anyway, so we check it, huh? Because it's showing vendor, right? So I'm not sure whether it will accept or not. It will accept, but selections only one of the two fields. Huh? One of the two fields means, okay, this one. Anyway, I will save it. So I will save contract. Let me save the contract.
No problem. Like F110 is our core area. Even some error we found, no, we will able to
Okay.
solve it.
Yeah, fine, right? Okay, great. So maybe no, you should not think that I missed some. Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
So we completed, like, our that valuation rule. I hope I shown you like some of the useful things. Also, I explained to you. Okay, you all participants are there. I'm taking second time. Huh? Last time, what happened? I got no from ZaranTech that no, lots of participants is not there. They're missed out. That is why I taken again. Lilesh was there. Same I explained to him. Okay. So now it is now it's so all the process we have seen it, right, from like RECP to RECEEPR. Okay, so then rewrap. Okay, then F110 we did it. Now I'm moving to that next topic, that is classic and classic REFX rather than, okay, then Flexi. Okay, Flexi, a real estate contract. The difference between, I will go for you first.
Yeah, Murugan.
Yeah.
Just before you start the new topic, I want to confirm whether the sales-based and service-based settlement has been done. Actually, many of us are not able to understand or maybe not clear with that.
Yeah, I already taken of that. Just we have a recordings. What I will suggest, Praveen, you can go through that recordings. Just go through it, and I explain that. Okay, see, sales-based and service-based settlement. I explain you what is the configuration settings. Then I have shown couple of important parameters in the contract level, and what is the important of that. Like for like sales-based, we have to use only like a lease or process. Just you hear the recordings. I hope what are the things it is that you will get to know. Okay.
So yeah, so that is okay, sir. We will even hear the recording as well. But Maybe after practicing or hearing the recording, we might get some question and answer. So that will be handled after.
Sure, that can be handled. Huh? If you are getting any questions, anything, you can inform to ZaranTech. These are the questions are there. Then like maybe like based upon my availability. Okay, we will have 1 or 2 hour sessions, and I will clarify all the things. Okay, just see basically unless you are going to, I know that like first it is understanding difficult, but if any questions, please let me know. No worries, I'm available to clear that questions. Okay. So there is a classic REFX and flexi real estate contract. So first of all, technical perspective will speak. So I hope you have any idea you can share with me that okay, this is what like technical and this is a functional something you want to share it, you can share with me. Huh? So what is the difference between if you know or not? Okay. First of all, ECC 4.3. Okay. This okay. RE has been developed. Okay, then this REFX, how I can call it rather than REFX, flex. I will tell that is a flex is a no like flexible real estate. It is converted. I will ask ZaranTech to share some of the difference between this document. If they have any, they can create a PPT and they can share with you. This classic REFX was flexible real estate contract. This I'm just telling based upon my some of the experience. Okay, so technical. So basically this classic now like lots of ECC, okay, which is in the range of 4.3 or something, they are using still no some of the clients like they are using classic REFX in ECC. So this is started, this RE is from ECC 4.3 version. This flexible real estate, it has been from ECC 6.6 versions. Okay, ECC 6 versions, and this is the main important things of the technical. Okay, and you know that this RE it is no into Oracle database. Okay, this is into the Oracle database. This also a Oracle database, but what happened? Due to the HANA upgrade, now this ECC convert into the S4 HANA. Now this flexible real estate contract we can see in the REFX. So REFX I'm telling S4 HANA. Okay. Second thing is that once we implement flexible real estate contract, the classic REFX we can't implement it. Okay. We have to go with this only. So it's not that we can go hand by hand. There's both. Once we'll go with this flexible real estate contract, then this need to be demigrated. Okay, this need to be demigrated. One important thing. Okay, technically database level. Okay, database level. Okay, database level, both are different. What is that? RE is basically okay. Not only this RE and flexible is no like having the difference between this classics RE. It have from database level it has it. Then it has in table level. Okay, what table level? RE is a grouping table. What is a grouping table? That your BSAT table, no like a PKP table, other no like line item table or header tables. That all that is why I mentioned in the grouping table. There's an old table. But now what is a flex? Flex is ACDOC DOCA table. So this is the important table where this all flexi real estate contract is coming into the picture. Okay. Now these are the important things of the technical perspective. Okay, these are the important of technical. And what else technical I can give you? Just just let me remember. Okay, Okay. Upgrade chain point of view. Okay, in REFX. Uh, I don't know. You heard about like brownfield plus greenfield. Anyone know what is the difference between brownfield plus or greenfield? Anyone has an idea on that? What is a brownfield? What is a brownfield plus?
Basically, brownfield is one kind of upgrade, not a fresh implementation, we can say.
You are giving the definitions of brownfield?
Yes, yes.
No. Then what is brownfield plus?
Just again, sorry to interrupt you. That regarding that sales-based and service-based settlement. Actually, as I inform you, that with management, what they have done that they will take 3 sessions of this one like IFRS16 and sales-based and service-based, and this difference between the classic and the real one. So it can be arranged that service-based and sales-based settlement, and it will be like good for all, because at that time, whenever you have taken, maybe 2 or 3 participants may be there.
Yeah, fine. But did you all guys know going through the recording or no? My wait is you go through the recordings. Okay, you tell me on Monday. Huh? So what we can plan it. Huh? Because if it's fine, no, like if you've gone through the recordings, you're not able to understand it. It's fine. I can take it further after discussion with the ZaranTech. Okay, because they given me the 3 topics to take it. This REFX and classic was this Flexi, and other thing is Q&A. So that's what they told me, but they did not told me about this sales based and service based. But anyway, what Praveen I will suggest for taking a class is not issue for me. First, I need to check with the ZaranTech. First time. Second thing, just you go through that recordings. Huh? If you are able to understand it, and still know if you're not clear something in which area, which part of that, we can have one more sessions for that. So what are the suggestions?
Hi, Mr. Muller. So I think if they're asking for the sales, I think if we can extend and do it off like Monday and close it off.
Yeah.
If that is okay with everybody.
Yeah, see, what we can do is there were 3 topics. One was IFRS, that is covered. Okay. Second was regarding classic versus REFX, that is being covered, and sales and service bill. Okay. So in that case, recording, the mesh team can go through whatever is the recording available.
Correct.
And maybe next week you can put up one, review, means review, not review, just a type of revision session, maybe small session, not end to end, so that everybody will go through the recording and they will come with whatever doubts or queries there.
Great.
But there was, in the TOC, along with the queries, it was also mentioned regarding that, just an overview of custom development and maybe table related information, if possible.
Devang, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Devang, I covered that custom level. Even not only table level, I covered it one of the sessions.
Okay.
I even BAPI level also. I shown the system. Okay. So I shown what are the BAPI it is there. Even I shown the table also, VICN, so much of tables I shown them.
No problem. So let us do one thing. The team will go through all the recordings which are available. And if there are any queries, they'll connect with ZaranTech to keep some sort of revision sessions. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sure. Makes sense. Thank you. Yeah. So we are discussing about this classic REFX and Flexi. So we are discussed about this technical part. What are the difference in the technical part? So from ZaranTech, Nitin, you are there, right? Or Nitin or someone? I'm not able to remember the name. So
no, this is Mike. I'm here.
Oh, Mike. Okay, Mike. So what we can do, like this PPT kind of things, 1 or 2 PPT of, like, can you, we will prepare this. Like document for a classic REFX or flexible, and you can share to them. Okay, this I'm telling based upon my real time, so experience.
Okay.
In a high level, I'm telling but something in detail level, so you can provide them, that will be helpful to them. I don't know if that in our depository it might be available. If not,
it is
you can.
available. We will
Okay.
share it with you. You can review it and confirm if that is okay. Then we will share it to all the participants.
Great. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. Yeah, that's what. Fine, Mike. Yeah, so back to this explanation. Okay, this classic REFX and flexible real estate contract. So we have technical functional things. Okay, most important thing. Okay, we'll start with the contract. Okay, what are the most important thing is valuations, valuation executions. Okay, valuation executions, and under the valuation execution, then again rewrap. Okay. So in classic REFX, this valuation process is not there. So basically what they used to do, just they used to maintain till the condition levels. They don't have the valuation process. But after 2016 or 2019, okay, this like new process came into the picture when they upgrade that REFX into Flexi, then they bought this valuation execution, the rewrap process. This periodic postings is also not there. Okay, so this also they did not implement it, and they used to just still the condition level only. Then again, payment to vendors. Payment to vendors, it was there. There means like till condition they will do it. In the GL level, what they used to do, they used to post it in FI level. Okay, FI level, right, FB60s or FB70s, that level they used to post it. And payment to vendors, again with the upgradations, like 2016 or 2019. Okay, the concept of payment method and payment term all bought into the now you can see in the RECN level, right? We have options of payment method right here. Okay, so what we have option, right? So in the so whatever the options here, it is coming right in a condition levels or something, this all it has been this condition purpose, condition type, and all it is developed in that payment to vendors process. Payment to vendors process means flexibles. Okay, so flexible, most important thing is valuation execution, rewrap process, and payment to vendors. Now, there is a questions from a client that, okay, still the clients who is using classic REFX, right? They are coming up with two things. If we are going to migrate from classic to flexi, what are the pros for us? What benefit we will get it? Like you can describe in two ways, in the technical way and functional ways. Okay, and technical way is very important to them, as you can describe in ECC point of view, in database point of view, in the table point of view, as I told, and in the upgrade point of view, which is very easy. Okay, upgrade, again I want to emphasize here, upgrade means if you want to do any custom development kind of things. Okay, if you want to do some any custom report to them, then it is easy in flexi, because why? The table redundant is very less. Okay, but in RE, we have to go with various tables, that there is so much of tables, we have to pick the logics. Okay, so that is one important key for them. Functional, they can go for even cash flow report. You can tell them that, okay, I forget to tell cash flow. Okay, then just I forget to tell you what is that SEC. Okay, other black line. Foreign currency translations. Okay, again, they can see the report in the cash flow level, means for forecasting versus budget. Most important thing I forgot to tell you, this is a first important thing. Just I'm just thinking now, and the whatever I face in the project level, I'm not referring any kind of like PPT or any kind of material. Okay, just I'm taking instantly, and that is the reason I'm not able to remember. Okay, integrations. Okay, asset. Okay, PP, PM, PS, FM, funds managements. What else? Anyway, FI we have it. Then again, SCM. Okay, but functionally, okay. So whatever I'm telling you, this is with respect to the flexi. Just this is a vice versa for RE. This functionality is not there for RE. Okay, so this functionality is not there for RE. Okay, so integration in flexi, we have most important part of the process is integration. Means asset, we can integrate with asset. We can integrate with production planning. How? The machineries, okay, or through the production process. Then plant maintenance, again the work center where they are using the resources. Okay, with the resources we will have a like contract. Okay, for example, no, you have a I explained you already, maybe like in recording you can hear it. This example I have taken and explained that you are in Pune location, your TCS, you are in Pune location for certain projects, for Kolkata location, you required a resource. You are going there. Anyway, you're going there. Then in maybe like it's out of country. We'll talk it out because there is going to be some additional like perk. Okay, so you're going out of non-site. So that time you are going to get additional perk. So then the cost center may be differ, right? That is a plant maintenance. Then PS. What is a PS? We have like project planning. Okay, project planning. We are going to use a cost center. We are going to use a WBS. Okay, sometime what will happen? Project means what? Any project you take. Okay, you are building a bridge. That is a project for any particular in L&T. You take L&T. L&T is constructing a metro. Okay, for that metro, what they require? They require a big cranes, right? The big cranes. They have like they are doing the project for 150 kilometers. Okay, 150 kilometers, but they don't equip with that lots of machines, right? Then definitely they want to go for other vendors to like buy a machines, okay, for caterpillar or some kind of things. With that they will do some lease contract. Okay, see, this project for us is 2 years or 1 year. We want your crane for 1 year. So that's where lease is into coming into the pictures. That crane and all you have to maintain it. PS level, I'm telling, PS is covering all over the project. Inside that you required certain assets. That asset has been created inside the SAP. That asset now that asset again it is for lease. Then you want to capture for a lease. Then that has been now maybe created as a WBS element. Then the WBS element can be captured in the lease at a account assignment or internal order. Okay, that is a purpose of a PS. Now again I'm coming into the funds management. What is it? Then again we have integration with the funds management. Okay, what is the funds management? Funds management means like we have a budgets. Okay, so overall like I already explained you, right? If you want to buy something, okay, asset, okay, for each department, marketing department required, finance department you have, maybe like production department we have, so much of consulting department. We are all coming into the consulting. Okay, consulting department will have auditing department, we'll have treasury department, we'll have like various various department. If high level, if TCS is operating all the department, no, they need to be plan for a budget. Okay, in high level as a TCS they will plan for a budget and they will just distribute this to the budget to the individual like department. Like consulting, okay, see, this is our budget we are allocating to you, and treasury, this is a budget we are allocating to you, and auditing, this is the budget we are allocating to you. Based upon that budget, again consulting has been allocated certain budget. Based upon that budget they have to plan that all that kind of steps, maybe increment for employees, like consulting, they hire new buildings, okay, new locations to construct that. All these things, and hiring a new like a consultant for a particular like, and for project wise, all that drilling like will be go on. For that also, this lease, perspective lease also, right, will come into the picture. For example, consulting team. Okay, now high level TCS has allocated the budget of this kind. Now already TCS is there in particular locations. They want to go for another block, okay, for 3 floors, and they need to see the budget, right? So what is the budget is available, and that budget is also maybe integrated with FM, okay, funds management. Then again, what is HCM? HCM means, again, there's a human capital management. It's purely like HR. It's a payroll process anyway. But anyway, payroll process means each payroll is contain each cost center, right? Again, the cost center level, which cost center is consume lots of cost, okay? Because in our lease, again, we are mapping the cost center, okay? Mapping the cost center. That is the reason we want to know like what is the cost center about it. Okay, so that is the integration. I'm just giving more explanation for each of the things to make you clear. Okay, that is why I'm dragging asset you should know, PP you should know, PM you should know, PS and all. Okay, this is very important. Then we talked about that cash flow, forecasting agent budget. So in RE level, as you are still into the conditions, you will not have any idea, okay, what is going to be my future lease in this cash flow, right? Cash flow, what you can see in the cash flow, you can see if you have a already explained to you, if you have 5 years contract, then you are into this current year 2024, and you are into current month August, till you can see the posted value. And also in the cash flow, now future what budget, what amount you are going to pay for it, what is a planned value, that also you can see it, right? I have shown you the system, right? So that is very, very important functionalities of Flexi. Okay, you can tell to the system, you can explain to your client, okay, who want to migrate to the, see, we have a cash flow, you can see based upon that you can plan it. Rewrap explained to you, payment I explained to you. Again, this SEC, okay, again this SEC is a like a reporting tool, right? This is a reporting tool. So again, so what is this reporting tool? Reporting, this also known a consolidation reporting tool. It will touch, I already explained, if you can go and hear my recordings, I given some little bit explanations about this SEC, okay, what is based about, where it is integrated, so you can go through it. I'm not explaining again, okay. And again, what is a black line? Okay, anyone has any idea what is a black line from a finance side? From the team, you heard about this black line?
No, Morgan.
No one? This again, this black line is the integration tool which is used for month-end process. This black line, as well as, anyone heard about Vertex? So I did. Anyone heard about Vertex? What is the Vertex tool? It is mostly used in a US kind of thing, US or Europe. What is the use of Vertex? Okay, so black line is also like sorry, not SEC, SEC, my bad. So maybe sorry, this is SEC, not SEC. Okay, so what is this black line and Vertex? Okay, this black line is a tool where it is integrated with the tax engines. Okay, Vertex is Vertex, and this black line is like, it is like a tax engine where each country, they have their own tax engines. So what will happen whenever the data, okay, which is now you can see, right, that in our lease side, the input tax or output tax, right, it has been getting calculated. Okay, now what will happen, each country will prefer, right, let us integrate our tax engine to the lease. Okay,
that interface, it will come under the RICEF, okay, REICEW something, no, RE something, it is the enhancement or flow or something, right? Form, okay, RICEF. So that part we have to consider. First, we have to know, like, understand from the client, okay, you are using any kind of tax engine, okay, that is called vertex. If it is there, then you have to assign REC. Now this is very important functionalities of REFX, not REFX, flexi real estate. But in classic REFX, that functionality is not there. It is very difficult to interface. I think that because I worked very one or two project in the classic. Okay, I did not work much project. So, but this vertex and black line is very important for them. Okay. Again, that
Um,
yeah.
So how do we activate them, black line or vertex? How do we activate them?
We can't activate them. This need to be activated by the development team.
Okay.
They will do the interface.
Okay.
So see, they will go to the portal. Okay, they will go to the vertex portal. Okay, and they will go to the portal of blackline, and they will now do some inbound or outbound kind of interface. RF, what we'll call it as RFQ or something, RFQ. Okay, remote function is there, right? By the ABAP development team, right?
RFC.
So
RFC.
yeah, RFC, yeah, remote like function control something. So from that, they will know, like do the like concatenations or something they will do with that, whatever the vertex tools or blackline tool with REFX. Not only REFX, but first they have to know, like
Funded by SAP.
yeah, SAP, yes.
Okay. Because my project is using one text engine, but it's a third-party text engine, not the blackline or vertex.
What is that the tool name?
The Thomson routers.
Thomson routers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. They are having the tax also. Okay, that is very known. Like
Correct. So that company is known
Correct.
for text engines, but that's again a third party, not provided by SAP.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So we have like various product. That's why I want just what I know about the product. I just mention you. Yeah, but you can link it now, right? How I told about this, I just bought this information and you can able to link it, right? So that is how. So that functionality is also there. Okay, in the Flexi. Okay, and yeah, and last is like foreign currency translation. Okay, this foreign currency translation is also like we can like bought it into that flexible, because in RE classics I think this process is not there. What is the process is not there means the functionalities means this SAP note is not developed. Okay, they used to do some third party kind of things. It was there. See, SAP is like like vast module, right? A vast software, ERP software. It is not that foreign currency translation tool. It is there, but they were using the third party tool, like how we are using the Oracle, right? Third party a different database. Now they into S4 HANA their own database. Same way, this foreign currency translation also, it was there, but they were using third party kind of things now in classic, but now we can use our own. Okay, most important thing. Other thing is like currency types. Okay, you can tell him that accounting principle. Okay, accounting principle, again, that is most important thing. Okay, accounting principle. So I can go and add on so much of things. Accounting principle. Okay, accounting principle as well as ledger also you can add it. Okay, ledger also you can add it. So these are the most like important like part of this process. I covered like at least I can say like 90%. I'm not telling 100%. 90% I have covered, and this is enough information for classic REFX and flexi REFX. I hope this and all this, whatever the SEC, blackline, vertex, and this foreign currency translations, you will not get it from the like a document level or global level. The difference. Just I told you with my own experience. Okay. Now, any questions for this classics and real estate? Whatever I explained to you. Any point which you did not able to understand, so that I can clear you. I hope you understood, right? So these all the things. Okay, this functionals and technical. Anyone has any idea about SAC? So Praveen, you worked on the SAC?
Morgan, it is a part of India country-specific configuration in GST, right?
No,
SAC code.
no,
We
no, no.
at the HSN code there. Is it the same thing?
No, 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 no. That's different. This is not
Okay.
like a local. It's not related to the GST. This is a global things, and this is very useful to
Mhm.
to provide a report CFO,
Okay.
CEO level. So whoever the SEC consultants are there, like SEC consultant or APO consultant. Okay, you heard about APO? Anyone heard about ATO? Advanced Planner Optimizer, APO consultant. This is one of the SAP module. Huh? So this SAC and APO, this both are very APO as well as like BW. Okay, BW or BI. Okay, these are the modules or BBC. Okay, now I think BBC is not there. I don't know. Okay, so this SAC, APO, BW, and BPC. These are the important module which mostly they are into the reporting level. Okay, they are into mostly the reporting level, and these consultant mostly they will interact with high level people, and also it is very key. Okay, so SAC point of view, in high level for all the streams, you have to get the data from various source like FI, SD or all that you have to present into the dashboard. And the dashboard also like budget, right? In India level they are doing the budget, right, by collecting from all the departments. And finally like finance minister in the parliament, she is presenting or he is presenting the budget, right? So same way, same functionalities. Okay, so it's a good example of our finance minister. Same way, finance minister, she will not go and sit like each deposit. She's she will meet like high level. High level means what? IAS level, okay, or revenue department level. She will get the data from there. Okay, and same way for SAC, APO, BW, they will get the data from like CEO, CFO level. They will put into the system. They will show in the dashboard. So that is how SAC or APO, BW, and BPC. Now, why I bought this point here? Now, the question is because this is now again the data, whatever the SAC, they will pull the data from lease. Okay, and they will pull the data from APO again. Okay, then they will pull the data from PWPI. They will pull the data from BBC. So all will have they will pull. So you have to spend lots of time with SAC. It's very hectic process. Huh? The SAC with BW, or you have SAC or you have BW. So how the process will be? First there will be the S4 HANA database. Okay, I'm telling you. Just I want to give. I will take another. We'll close it 11 now. So this will be the informative. So you want to cover or there's no need? Maybe Praveen. Just I thought I can tell you on that. How in lease REFX will work for fetching the data.
You can please Morgan.
So SAC, like how the database will be, right? For the database will be first S4 HANA. Okay, first thing from S4 HANA level, you have to provide all the logics. Okay, all the logics means you have to provide from the table level. Okay, table you have to prepare the FS. Okay, functional specification you have to prepare it, and from that from logic and all. Okay, this is a table like a lease table, and that logic you have to provide to the BW team. Okay, BW team, what they will do based upon your FS and logic, they will pull the data and they will provide to SAC. Okay, SAC cloud. No, this is like cloud. We'll call it as. And from there, what will happen? Just a second. Huh? Yeah, okay. So what will happen? They will pull the data from BW. Again, the logic will be the right. BW, they got a logic from S4 HANA, from FI or SD, any module. And again, that will go to BW. BW have certain logic that will be pulled by the SAC, that will be pulled by the APO. That pulling, no, that will show you the dashboard, okay, like profit and loss, balance sheet. Again, that balance sheet will be drilled down into current assets, current liabilities. Again, whatever the asset will be there, that will be drilled down. Profit loss account, again, that will be drilled down into expenses. Then again, there will be revenue. Then based on this balance sheets and this profit and loss account, again, they will compare that expenses. See, this 2024 consulting, they expenses lots of amount to give the increment to the employees. Just I'm telling you example. The expenses to allocating the budgets to go for outings. Okay, that all they will analyze it. They will compare to the other department. Okay, auditing department. What happened? So these are the key factors. No, they will analyze it and they will now decide it. Okay, otherwise consulting will keep the budgets. Okay, they will not expense some of that's no like in high level. No, they will say okay, this can utilize no budgets we allocated. Why other department cannot be no like utilized? CFO level, CEO level, they will take a big decision. They will call a key person from each department. They will ask, this is how we are spending and what is this. So these are no. This I'm telling you, no, these are the important report because CFO level they will not most concerned about what we are doing inside. No, they are most concerned about the profit and loss and balance sheet, where it went wrong, where expenses going no, more, where the revenue is generating high. That is the high level they are thinking about. They will not come and see each project what is going on or no. Their main thing is last year what was our profit and this year what was our profit. That's all. Because based on that they need to provide the report to the stakeholders. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the most important purpose of SAC, APO, BW, BI, and BBC. Okay. So this is the end of the difference between REFX, Flexi Real Estate or Classic. So these are the important points. Any questions on that? We have left another like 5 minutes. Huh? So we can go for no Q&A. No, like if you have any Q&A, because anyway, each sessions, no, like I'm giving you, know, like time to ask for a Q&A. So, but anyway, we have another 5 minutes we can spend for no like Q&A. Then again, this Classic and REFX, like I don't want to repeat again because already repeated now like 2 times. Just hear my recordings. It is painful from my it is no like painful for me that again repeating the same thing again and again. So that is the reason. So here the recordings what I will suggest. Okay, and just go through the recordings, understand it. Okay, not 1 time, 2 time. And whatever the key areas you're not able to understand it, just note it down. Okay, and and try to explore from your side. That's what I will suggest you, like, because like try to explore what are the questions you have it, try to explore in various network kind of things. Still if you're not able to get it, then you need to come to the expertise like me. Okay, hey, this is where the areas I'm not able to like understand the factors. I'm here to help us. Okay, but before going to expertise, you have to uh, explore yourself as a consultant. That's what I will suggest you. But taking a class is not a problem for me or not issue for me. But anyway, so any questions from your side? Just we have 4 minutes left. Okay, I will take 1 minute again. Then if not, then we are good to close the call. Okay, then yeah, then we covered like IFRS. Okay, shown you the system again second time. Okay, and okay, overall what as after first is data migration, I covered it. Standard report, we covered it. Okay, we covered the custom development. I explain you about the tables. Okay, not in deep level but some higher level explain you. BAPI explain you. Then you bought about the sales based and service based. I bought you the sales based and service based. Okay, then we talked about the IFRS. Okay, new topic. Yes, we have taken. Then we talked about classics and REFX. Okay, we have covered like 6 topics we have covered after that. Then we have like certain like Q&A, like certain real-time questions somewhat, right? Some 2 to 3%. They bought it good questions maybe from Devang or Praveen or Lilesh. They bought it some good questions. Okay, that also we discussed. So these are the topics, overall we covered it. So which is very important for REFX perspective. So I can see, like he also covered a good handsome topics which is required for REFX consultant perspective. So like I can see overall, the course, it is it's cover very pretty much good, as REFX, like if I want to see if I'm going to as a trainee, okay, under the trainer. So it is a pretty much topics which is very important that all covered it. Okay, just thing is that you need to do the homework. Okay, if you're not going to do the homework, if again I'm going to take a course for second or third time also, then you will not understood it. If I'm going to take 10 times also, you'll not able to do the homework, spend the time in the system at least for 1 month, 2 months, then with this inputs or with this information, whatever provided by ZaranTech, it will be going to helpful to you. Okay.